Hello, we're here at one of the car dealer. Nandito kami ayun si Dada Ah, kasi bumibili kami ng car para sa isang friend namin. Okay. So, ito siya. It's a Kia. At maganda naman ang itsura niya. Actually, it's a second-hand car. So, year, what's that?
14.
It's a year 2014. So, ito test drive namin ngayon. At yung kotse na yan ay para nga sa friend namin at we're just helping, you know. So, napakalaking car dealer to. Ang dami nilang sasakyan dito. All types of vehicles is here. From the high-end vehicles sa talagang pinakamurang vehicles, they have it here. So, mabuti na lang at nakita namin tong car dealer na to. It's the name of the car dealer is STG Auto Group. STG Auto Group. So, yung mga naghahanap ng mga sasakyan dyan, pumunta lang kayo dito sa STG Auto Group at talagang asikasuhin po nila kayo at they have all types of vehicles na hanapin po ninyo. Ayun ang kanilang sign, STG Auto Group. So it's a really big car dealer at napakalawak nito, napakalaki, lahat na yata ng klase ng sasakyan nandito. So we're just going to take care of, actually chine-check ni Dada ang makina at lahat ng, syempre kung okay sa amin, okay rin sa aming kaibigan. So check muna namin ang makina ng sasakyan.
To move it to get it done sooner.
Yeah.
But I don't like to rush the guy.
Yes, of course, yeah. So this one, they will still do the service and everything, right? Okay, yeah. Wednesday is fine.
Yeah. Without priority, it can take a week and a half. With priority, it can take 2 to 3 days.
Okay. So with a priority, what do you mean by that?
So usually, like in a case like this, because we sell a lot of cars.
Yeah.
And as we're selling them, we're bringing some in, and people are coming and look at the cars, and they're not ready yet. So what they do is they'll work the pricing.
Yeah.
If everything looks good, they'll leave a deposit.
Okay.
And then once the car's ready, they come and drive it. If they like it, perfect. You do the rest. You
Yes.
bring the rest, and then if you don't like it, you can look at something else. That deposit is yours.
This is nice. This is really nice. I
It's
think
a full-size
I think our
truck.
friend will gonna like this, right, Dada?
Yeah.
He's gonna like this one. This is a really, really nice car. Yeah.
It's a full-size sedan, so
Full size
space is a
sedan.
plus.
Okay.
Does he have kids? Yeah. It's gonna be good.
It's nice. It's a really nice car. Yeah, I think we're gonna get this one for our friend.
Fine, 500. And if you don't like it, it's your money.
So we're just gonna have to
This will prevent it from somebody else
put a
showing it,
deposit.
looking at it, trying to buy or sell it.
Yeah, at least we already put the deposit, right, to hold the
Okay.
car for us.
You won't see it on the website, but I can show you the car history and everything right now. too
Okay.
when we get back.
How much if you happen to change it, how much will it charge?
For what?
Change it.
Well, we have to take care of it. But
You have to like
yeah, the way they make up for it, every car comes with a package.
So, it's a nice car. Tingnan natin yung loob. Maganda yung loob niya, napakalinis.
engine. No, cylinder. How many cylinder?
Oh, 4 cylinders.
Like this.
No, we can't check this.
No, we can't.
Without priority.
Okay, actually this one, it needs to be, I think they need to clean this one. And they need to service the car. Kasi, although it's already in the book for sale, pero, hindi pa pwedeng ilabas ngayon. So this is a Kia Optima. It's a Kia Optima. At hindi pa po pwedeng ilabas kahit nabayaran na namin ngayon, hindi pwedeng ilabas dahil isa-service pa nila to. Lilinisin nila ang loob kasi I heard that kararating lang nitong sasakyan na to rito. Luckily, nakita namin sa kanilang collections of vehicles na for sale Kasi kararating nga lang. Pero hindi pa po pwedeng ilabas dahil yun nga, i-maintain. Kailangan pa ng maintenance. Ito ang STG Auto Group. So, dun sa mga naghahanap ng sasakyan dyan, pumunta po kayo rito. At kumpleto po sila rito. Meron din po sila rito ng service department. At meron kanilang service department. At palagay ko nga, baka yun na rin nakunin namin para sa kaibigan namin. Kasi, nako, sa totoo lang po, napakahirap talaga maghanap ng sasakyan. Lalo na kung second hand ang bibili ninyo. Siyempre, no, kasi yung second hand, meron ng first owner, second owner yan. At yun nga, isi-check din namin ang kanyang history. Kasi baka mamaya meron siyang history ng tinatinala, may accident or whatever. Pero ganun, syempre, pagka bumibili tayo ng sasakyan, kahit na second hand siya, kailangan maging maingat pa rin tayo. So, yun nga, yun ang nagustuhan namin at nagustuhan na rin ng kaibigan ni Dada. Kaya kukunin na rin namin yun. Pero hindi namin makukuha today. Ayan, chinecheck nga nila ang engine. Alam naman ninyo si Dada, alam niya, marunong yan sa mga ganyan eh. So, i-check ang... hindi namin po pwedeng i-test drive sa ngayon. At hindi pa rin pwedeng ilabas. Pero, we have to take care of the, yung kung magkano yung babayaran namin. So, we probably need to come back here tomorrow. Pero, aayusin na ang mga documents lahat-lahat. Kaya, so, pakita ko sa inyo ang kanilang buong ito yung kanilang service department. Ito, isa rin to. I think this is for just a minor service. Ayan, punong-puno na sasakyan. At yung sa kabila doon, yun, sa kanila pa rin yun. Ayun, nandito lahat ng klase ng sasakyan. BMW, Honda, Mercedes-Benz, Ford, name it, nandito lahat. Kaya mabuti na lang at ito yung una namin pinuntahan. So ayan, gusto ko lang makita ninyo. Okay, so meron pa ulit kami titignan na isa, pero the same dealer. Ito, nakita namin yung Honda. Pero mukhang ang pangit nito eh. I don't know. Sa tingin ko lang. Kasi maraming mga scratches yung kotse. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Ang daming scratches. So,
It's not gonna like it. It's a lot of job.
yeah, too many scratches. Yeah.
Compared to the Kia.
Yeah, the Kia is nice. Kia is much better than this. Okay. Siguro kukunin na lang namin yung Kia. Tingnan nyo ha, kahit na, I mean, syempre, second hand ang binibiling sasakyan. Syempre talagang check lahat eh, no? So, nandito pa rin kami. At palagay ko yung Kia na lang ang kukunin namin. Kasi nagustuhan din ng kaibigan ni Dada eh. So, we're just helping him out, you know. Tulong lang namin sa kanya. At para magkaroon siya ng sasakyan. At ito, punta na kami sa loob ng office nila. At palagay ko, siguro, yun na nga yung Kia ang kukunin namin. So, ito yung opisina nila. Maganda yung opisina nila, no? Ganda, oh. So, dito na kami sa loob. Okay, so finally po, nakuha na rin namin yung sasakyan. Actually, ang kinuha po namin is Nissan. Ayan. Well, medyo meron siyang mga dent ng konti, pero okay na rin. Second hand naman eh. So, what do we expect? Hindi ho ba? Okay, so what do we expect? Ayan, maganda naman yung loob. Ayan ang loob. Ayan, maganda siya. Nissan Sentra. It's a Nissan Sentra 2014. Okay, at ito ang temporary license plate niya. So, ang importante, merong madadrive yung aming kaibigan. Yun ang importante sa lahat. So, ito ang driver's seat, passenger seat. Maganda naman siya. At, okay na rin, finally. At medyo matagal nga lang, alam naman ninyo, pagka nagpunta sa dealer, so many documents to sign, so many paperworks. But okay na rin yan, kahit second hand na car, at least meron na matadrive yung kaibigan ni Dada. That's the most important po. Ayan. At least kahit pa paano nakatulong kami. At kung itatanong ninyo kung magkano ito po ay inabot ng around $6,000. Okay, this is a second hand car, $6,000. Okay, so marami pong salamat sa panonood ninyo. At maganda naman siya. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. And see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.